Spielberg's Magic Planet. I only know that 2 of those claps were genuine, so everyone else just along for the ride here, okay? I understand. Come on in, everybody, come on in. Now, based on that, I'm sort of getting the sense that a lot of you aren't really taking this as seriously as you should. You're treating it like it's just another theme park ride, and not like the most important mission at Academy Award.
I'm Steven Spielberg, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to the E.T. adventure. But I'm afraid we don't have much time, so I'm going to cut right to the chase. E.T. needs your help. Now, we've just received an urgent message from E.T.'s teacher, Botanicus, calling for E.T. to come home right away. You see, the big problem is about 3 million light years away on E.T.'s home world, the green planet. E.T.'s friends are in danger because their planet is dying. Remember what E.T.'s friends look like, because it's going to be up to you to help E.T. find them once we get him home. And there's not a moment to lose, because only E.T.'s magic healing touch can save his friends and bring the planet back to health. E.T. must go home, and only you can help him. Ah, E.T. That's right, E.T. So why don't you show these people how we're going to get you back to the green planet? You and E.T. will be making your 3 million light year journey on these bikes, but don't worry, you don't have to pedal. But you will need an interplanetary passport. So before you leave with E.T., tell your first name to one of our assistants, and they'll give you your pass. Oh, sounds like E.T.'s ready to go. So good luck, everyone. Remember, E.T.'s counting on you, and so am I. Oh, it's up to you to save this planet so that he may visit us again.
Two, I'm going to have you go that way. Past the first stop sign all the way to the fire station. How many here? Two passports? We're going to draw one. First row. You draw one. How many here? Five. Can I get your passports? And you're 2 on 2, 3.
We've got some unauthorized people entering the base. Wait, they got ET. Unit 3, cut them off. Way. Line's green, orange light. I see him. Come on, let's go.
Goodbye, Alexis, Mike, Damien, Paul, Fred, Spencer, Matthew, Selena, Joshua, Dave, Philip.
Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride vehicle. Attention, please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the ride wheel.
We swap Eddie for another. Swap Eddie for another Eddie. Another Eddie.
Wherever you come, make it taller.
Taller Eddie.
Let's see if they have Photo home.
Yeah, it's so hard to see if